Hello, good day everyone. You are welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Eze Michael. Please do not forget to share and subscribe. In today's teaching, we are going to show you how to remove a plug hole. This is ladies machining. This is a top of ladies machining. This is how it looks like. And this is the plug hole. Take a look at how it is. It has one. You can't tight. And this plug needs to go there. You don't need to extend it. These are what you need. You need to remove here. After removing this particular place, you need to get a pipe like this, an iron pipe. When you do it with something like this, it lasts forever. You have to dice here, dice it. After dicing a little bit in it, then you go here with the size of this pipe. Then you make sure that it's here. Once you store it here, you cut it. Let me just teach you how it's going to work. This is my tab. This is 3/8. I have to rethread here first. I have to use this 3/8 to remove here first. Don't allow it to cross the other side because you are going to store it there. After removing it with your 3/8, then you bring it out. Then take a look at how it is. It's not yet done. This is where the plug will go. The plug cannot tight because I have not stored my pipe here. After doing that, this is what I have to do. I have to remove this and put my pipe so I can be able to dice my pipe. This is my pipe and I'm about to dice it. I've finished dicing it. This is how it looks like. I also dice it 3/8. Next thing you have to do is you have to make sure that the inside of the pipe, you thread it to the size of the plug. That's what I'm doing. Take a look at it. This is how it works. I'm done with threading the inside. Then when you put the plug here, it will definitely tight accurately. It is tightened. It's tightened the way I want it. Then what I will do now is to lose the plug and make sure that this is the top. I have to make sure that I put this pipe, I take the measurements I need and store it inside here and cut it. See how it's going to work. With this pattern, it will last forever. Online. Then I have to cut the pipe now. so that it will give me what I want. I have to take this. This is what I want. I have to take this inside. Oh my God, it's falling down. Wow. This is the pipe now. The pipe is now inside the top. What else am I going to do? I'll put the pipe inside the top. Watch how I'm going to do it now. I have to punch this inside so that it will look accurate.